Well, that ain't good.
So you can see what happened here was the handle piece that used to go there and would lift up has snapped off. So all we gotta do is take this old handle off and then we can replace it with this new handle here. So first thing we gotta do is loosen this piece up here. You can take that handle out.
And if you caught right there, it is reverse thread, so it would be righty to loose, not righty tighty.
And then I'm gonna get this off the chain. Simply take it, put it through that hole. It's already there. Pull that down. Get it over that knob. There. Put it back on the chain. Simple as that.
Dad at Home, a Busy Bee channel.